Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and this is for the week of October 15th. Today I wanted to use an old paper pad that I had in my stash, and my spread this week is inspired by some pictures that my daughter sent me. She had gone with some friends to a fruit farm in Ohio, and she had pictures, really cute pictures of her and a little girl that she babysits every once in a while, and there was just the beautiful trees and the apples on the ground and everything. So when I was looking through my fall stickers and paper and stuff that I had, I found this really cute set of stickers. They're like vellum, and it was by Provo Craft, and I've had these in my stash for a long time, but just super cute. And then I found the paper in my stash. It's a spiced cider stack from DCWV. And I used a lot of it, but I have a lot of parts of it that I think will go really great. In here, let's see, I have this one that says, when in doubt, make a pie. And then here's an apple of my eye. And I just think these pieces are really cute. I'm not sure. Well, there's no, I guess those are pumpkins, so I may not use that. But I'll go through here and find something that will go really well with this. And I also have my Mambi sticker pads too here that I use pretty much every time. So why don't we get this stuff cleared up. Oh, I forgot to mention I had this. It's a fall washi that I thought went really well with it too. So anyways, let's get on with this. We'll get stuff cleared off here and we'll get started. guys, so here's my final layout. I really love how this turned out, and I don't know, apple season is just so fun for me. I want to go out to Julian to check out one of the apple orchards because it's always fun to get some fresh apples from an actual apple farm, or an orchard. So hopefully I'll be able to do that this season. And I hope this gives you some inspiration for your layout this week. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.